Dialpad with Bulk Texter Pro. To personalize messages at scale, users can upload a CSV either from their LMS system or they've created from scratch, containing contact information such as names and phone numbers. Each column in the file represents a unique data field. For example, first name or their coursework current grade, which Bulk Texter Pro uses to customize every outgoing message to help make communication personalized. Open Bulk Texter Pro. To get started, head to bulktexterpro.com, where you can download the Bulk Texter Pro browser extension. Bulk Texter Pro is available on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox, making it easy to integrate into existing workflows. For your texting platform, be sure to choose Dialpad. Within Dialpad, you have the option to send individual or group text messages. If you have multiple numbers in your Dialpad account, you can specify which one you want Bulk Texter Pro to send from. If you don't have multiple numbers, you should leave this field blank. Craft and send your message. Start by clicking Upload CSV. Locate the file you would like to use. Using the CSV upload feature to bring in your contact list will personalize your fields. Bulk Texter Pro will automatically map those fields into your message template, so every recipient gets a customized text. From there, you can begin to craft your message. As soon as you begin to type, you can see the fields from your corresponding values in your CSV. You can click one of these in order to insert that field. CSV Upload gives users full control over personalization. You can choose to select only the fields that you need, and always use the preview feature to confirm your message appears exactly as intended before sending. When you're happy with the text of your message, an image can be attached to enhance and support the message being delivered. With the Recent button, you can easily access previously used CSVs, messages, and images, making it easy to reuse personal favorites and maintain consistent communication. Now it's time to send your message. Messages can be scheduled by choosing a date and time, making it easy to plan communication ahead of time. Additionally, users have the option to send messages immediately. Selecting Send Now automatically opens the Dialpad platform and begins sending messages right away. At any point during the sending process, users can cancel the messages if adjustments need to be made. Additional tips and help. For additional help, visit bulktexterpro.com. Here you can find some additional tips, tricks, and troubleshooting. For additional support, reach out to the Bulk Texter Pro team at support@bulktexterpro.com. We're happy to help.